Welcome to CodeTravel. In this video, we're fixing bugs and shipping features in FastMind using Qwen Code. We started with a critical UI bug. Long documents were completely unscrollable. Then, we did a full dark mode overhaul. The TipTap editor now adapts perfectly to the dark. Theme, toolbars, buttons, and code blocks are all crisp and readable. Fixed invisible text cursors and squashed a bug, where new documents redirected to undefined. After saving, we fixed the root layout to pin the sidebar while letting the main content scroll. We redesigned the edit and new document pages with sticky headers and footers. Finally, we added a power user feature, Ctrl+S, to save your work instantly. I use Qwen Code to generate the text prompt for generating the YouTube thumbnail in ChatGPT's Image 2.0 model. What's amazing is how seamless the workflow has become. And finally, to bring it all to life with sound, I used an incredible next-level AI tool called Speechma. Tools like Speechma prove that next-level AI tech isn't just the future. It's right here, right now, and it's absolutely amazing. This is the sound of what's possible. One AI tool writes the prompt, another draws the picture, and the third speaks the story. No coding, no complex software, just pure creative flow from your mind to the final video.